Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening and welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Tonight we're bringing you a story that's left many people shaken after an electric car burst into flames on a driveway in Chandler's Ford, Hampshire. In the early hours of this morning, a shocking video emerged showing a fireball tearing through vehicles outside a 550,000 pounds family home. The car was parked on the driveway and was charging overnight when it caught fire at around 5 a.m. Thankfully, no casualties have been reported, but the damage is extensive. Photographs taken after the blaze reveal the wreckage of 3 vehicles, including a van, with the front of the house badly burned. According to eyewitnesses, flames were coming out of the door and window as the family rushed out to safety. The fire was successfully extinguished by 7:30 a.m., but not before it spread to nearby vehicles. A spokesperson for Hampshire Fire and Rescue said crews from 3 different fire stations attended the scene, using hose reels and jets to put out the flames. This incident is a sobering reminder of the risks associated with electric vehicle ownership. While they offer many benefits, including lower emissions and reduced maintenance costs, they also pose unique safety challenges. The UK's National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has reported several instances of electric vehicles catching fire in recent years, often due to faulty charging equipment or manufacturing defects. It's worth noting that the family at the center of this incident is fortunate to have escaped unharmed. However, for many others, the consequences of an electric vehicle fire can be devastating. In January, a Worcester mother shared her terrifying experience of watching her vehicle burst into flames on her driveway while she and her children were asleep. As we move forward with the adoption of electric vehicles in our daily lives, it's essential that manufacturers and regulators prioritize safety and take proactive measures to mitigate these risks. The question remains, can we trust electric vehicles to be safe and reliable? We'll continue to investigate this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for tonight's episode of Electro Drive News. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.